About Miss Jasmyn Sanchez-Travis, and there she is, her 14th birthday in Webb City. And Jasmyn, happy birthday from Mom, Dad, and your grandmother, who we just heard from on Facebook, Lisa Wickwire.
Beautiful. Happy birthday, Jasmyn. Happy birthday. Turning 19 in Jasper. It's Whitlie Buchanan's birthday. Whitlie, happy 19th birthday. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and weekend.
Pair of twos on the board for Dakota Hartman as he celebrates his 22nd. Happy birthday, Dakota, in Baxter Springs.
In the Berg, turning 23 is Emily Smithson. Emily, Merry Christmas Eve and happy 23rd birthday.
Micah Omi celebrating a 28th birthday. Happy birthday to Micah in the Berg.
4 decades of Brandon Moon. Brandon and Chanute, happy birthday, Brandon, and happy holidays as well.
And we got a Jesse birthday. It is Brent. Happy 56, my man. Long time no see. Brent celebrating in Crestline.
You know how you say his last name is Jesse.
Jesse.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Brent, and happy birthday to Ted Garrison in Columbus. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your holidays, Ted. Happy birthday, my man.
If you're out at medical lines, just practice that social distancing and make sure that you tell Orville Hamilton a very happy birthday. Dana Schaefer, there's a picture, Dana. Happy birthday to Dana in Arma. And Melissa Earl celebrating her 50th in Jasper.
You know, I heard whispers of this. I didn't know if it was true, but it is. In Weir, Kelsey Thomas celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Kelsey. It's also in the bus, turning 12. It's Shade's birthday. Happy birthday, Shade. And celebrating their 9th anniversary, the Smoots. Roger and Sandy, happy anniversary, you two. Merry Christmas Eve as well.
Lucian Kelly with a big number 5. And then it is a Christmas holiday birthday affair for the Gurney family. So Jack turns 5. Happy birthday to Jack in Joplin. Lucas turns 4. Lucas in Joplin as well. And then Caden celebrates number 4 as well in Parsons. Boy, I tell you what, the Gurneys find themselves a tad bit busy here in late December. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Jesse Irwin with a very important birthday announcement.
I bet Jack loves whenever somebody asks who's older between Lucas and Caden. I bet Jack loves being like, I am, jumping in. Hey, you can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club too. Just go to our website and sign up. You get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and you can sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
A beautiful Christmas